Most people buy this category wrong. Not because they chose the wrong product, but because they bought it for the wrong reason. There are one or two things that actually settle this decision, and they almost never appear in the headline spec. Think about the actual moment you will reach for this. Not the unboxing, not day one, the third week in, when it just needs to work without you thinking about it. That is the bar. THISWORX Car Vacuum Cleaner Portable High Power Handheld Vacuums, W3 attachments, 16 fork cord and bag 12V, auto accessories kit for interior detailing black is built around Prower, practical store. That is the thing that separates it from what is sitting next to it at a similar price. It is not trying to be everything. It is trying to do this one thing at a level that earns its place. The first feature worth understanding is Prower Practical Store. In practical terms, that means you are not fighting the product to get a result. It absorbs the friction that usually slows you down. The second is Practical, a mini vacuum for car or truck that is compact, lightweight 2.4 pounds, and easy to use. The large dustbin capacity is ready for ash, dust, or drive-through food spills. A fully loaded interior car detailing kit housed in an ergonomic design. This one looks minor on the spec sheet, but it is the thing you notice every single time you use it after the first 2 weeks. And the third is effective, made for on-the-go use and to solve out-of-reach problems. A very sandy day at the beach, a coat of dog hair, the portable vacuum cleaner for cars designed to solve problems, which is more useful than it sounds until you actually need it. Together, those three things explain why this one has the reputation it does and why it keeps showing up in comparison lists 2 years after launch. What the listing will not tell you is that interior car cleaning kit includes 3 attachments, flathead, extendable, or brush nozzle for detailing, carry bag, filter brush, and spare HEPA filter. Must-have car accessories for men or women. These gadgets will keep the interior cute and tidy. That is the thing buyers consistently flag after extended use, and it is actually more useful in practice than the spec alone suggests. Here's where I have to be straight with you though. The cyclonic force and strong suction of the 106-watt motor will terminate any dirt or debris. Say goodbye to hard-to-reach crumbs stuck under the driver's seat. Our mini car vacuum even has a top-of-the-line washable HEPA filter. If that does not match your situation, there are better options, and I would rather you know that now than after you open the box. People who have used this long-term consistently mention interior car cleaning kit includes 3 attachments, flathead, extendable, or brush nozzle for detailing, carry bag, filter brush, and spare HEPA filter. Must-have car accessories for men or women. These gadgets will keep the interior cute and tidy. As the thing that keeps them loyal, the people who left critical reviews mostly bought it for a use case it was not designed for. I cover one of these breakdowns every day. Subscribing is the fastest way to catch the next one. On price, Amazon moves this around more than you would expect, so what I can say is that for what you are getting, the value holds up compared to the alternatives I looked at. That said, timing matters on Amazon. The link is in the description so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if the timing works for you.